Becoming wealthy is not just about earning more money, it is about understanding how the money game actually works. Most people work hard their entire lives, yet they never escape financial stress. They follow the same routine and hope things will change. The problem is not effort. The problem is playing a game without knowing the rules. Today, I want to share powerful ideas about wealth that most people never learn. These ideas can change how you think about money forever. Most people treat their future like a beggar. They spend first and think later. Bills, shopping, food, and entertainment. Whatever is left at the end of the month is called savings. Wealthy people do the opposite. They pay their future first. As soon as money comes in, they save or invest a portion of it. Then they live on what remains. This is not about saving money. This is about respecting your future self. If you don't prioritize your future today, your future will punish you tomorrow. Trying to look rich is one of the biggest obstacles to becoming rich. Many wealthy people don't look wealthy. Many struggling people try very hard to look rich. Luxury phones, expensive cars, and branded clothes. Most are bought to impress people who don't matter. Wealthy people focus on growing money, not displaying it. Real wealth is not what you show. Real wealth is what you hide in assets and investments. Debt is one of the most dangerous traps in modern society. Buying things on loan that lose value means selling your future time for today's comfort. You don't own those things. Those things own you. You wake up every day not to build dreams but to pay installments. Smart people avoid bad debt. Wealthy people use debt only to grow. There are only two ways to live financially. Either you work for money forever or money works for you. When you invest, money becomes your employee. It works day and night, even while you sleep. If income stops when you stop working, you are financially vulnerable. Life emergencies are not a matter of if, they are a matter of when. Medical problems, job loss, unexpected expenses. An emergency fund is not optional, it is protection. This is not about saving money, it is about buying peace of mind. Depending on one income source is extremely risky. It is like sitting on a chair with only one leg. No matter how strong it looks, it can break at any time. Wealthy people build multiple income streams, small at first, strong together. True security does not come from a big salary. It comes from diversification. Money is a game. Most people play it without knowing the rules and wonder why they always lose. They fear money because they don't understand it. Financial education changes everything. Learn how money works, understand assets, liabilities, and investments. Knowledge is the strongest weapon in the money game. Wealth is not luck. It is not magic. It is not reserved for special people. It is a skill, and skills can be learned. Change how you think about money, and money will change how it behaves around you.